Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to invest in stocks on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Cash App and make sure the dollar sign is highlighted at the bottom. This will take you to your Money tab. Scroll down to the Save and Invest section and select Stocks. If it's your first time, you may need to answer a few quick setup questions to access the investing page. To invest, search for a stock by name or ticker symbol in the search bar. For example, let's use Google. Select the company, then tap Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, starting as low as $1, and select whether this is a one-time purchase or an automatic recurring investment. Next, confirm your Cash App PIN to authorize the purchase. Review your order details, including the approximate shares, total cost, and any fees. Then select your funding source, either your Cash App balance or a linked card, and schedule the purchase. Your order will execute during the next market open. So that's basically how you can invest in stocks on Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.